Okay, here it is. Short tutorial video of the Vapros. This is an iPhone for size comparison. This is what you get when you open your box. It comes with a USB charging cord. Yeah, it's in there. I just put it back in there. This is a well-primed CE4 that it comes with. And it comes with a little USB charger if you want to charge additional devices. You put it on there, and then in the manual you push a combination of buttons and it makes it so that it charges an external device. This is size comparison next to a real iPhone. It's quite a bit fatter, dramatically, but it's actually a little smaller. This is an Nhaler, the Opus, the I forget the name of this device. It's that little plastic smoke tech device that you stack batteries in or whatever. A little variable voltage device, but this seems pretty cool. The battery life is incredible. It's 2800 mAh battery. Basically screw this on there. There's your screen. I saw another review of somebody saying that this LED indicator actually didn't work. It does work, and it actually, I don't know if you can see it, it has like right now it's 3.5 bars. It actually dims out the next bar on the indicator. The thing, you have to charge it with this USB. If you try and do it with another one, it won't charge. Here's your up and down voltage. I had mine set to like 4.6. I'm going to take it back down to that because I have my cartomizer rather. It also comes with a CE4 type cartomizer. It has the temperature, a puff counter that resets either by pressing a pin in here or pen, or when it recharges it sets the puff counter. It has total and prepaid. Total is the number of puffs total on the device, and the other one is you know, the amount that you use it. So you can, there's also directions on how you can reset just one of them if you're really interested in having that information, but I don't know, it's just sort of seems kind of redundant, but I have a tendency of keeping track of the thing. I'll tell you, I vaped this thing for 4 days and it's still, the battery just won't go dead. I mean, I charged it all the way up and vaped it, like I said, I'm exaggerating, I think it was like 3.5 days, and it still had a bar left on there. So I just gave in and recharged it. I just can't, you know, it's got a tremendous battery capacity, put it that way. It's like a giant cell phone battery in there, but I really dig it. I'll tell you what, it's true variable voltage. In other words, when, you know, I put a tester on this, tested it every which way from here to Sunday. It vapes. When it says it's giving you, you know, you have it set at 4.2 volts, it's 4.2 volts. Much like other devices, if you turn them, or not like the other devices, like this one for instance, if you turn this all the way up to 6 volts and put an LR atomizer on there, it doesn't really give you 6 volts. It gives you, you know, whatever it maxes out at, 2.5 or 3 amps or whatever. But this thing will give you whatever you ask it for, which is sort of useless really, but it's nice to know that the you know, what the guidelines that it sets up, that's what it's giving you. I mean, if you wanted to put a 3 or a 4 ohm cartomizer or atomizer on here, you know, there are people that like vaping 5 ohm 801s for whatever reason, but if you wanted to put that on here, it'll give you everything it says it's giving you. So a lot of them say, like, you know, like the Nhaler or the lava tubes, they say they're putting out 6 volts on the screen, but if you put a tester on there, It's really only giving you like 5.3 or whatever. This thing gives you exactly what it says it's going to give. So cool little device. Airflow's great. It's not really as small as it looks in the pictures. I mean, it's kind of bigger, but for the battery size that it gives you, it's pretty cool, you know, and it's kind of a neat concept. You know, it looks just like an iPhone. You know, the information that's on there, I mean, is it useful? It could be. It's got temperature and stuff like that. I mean, it's kind of a cool, neat little thing. I don't know how many, you know, people are actually going to be utilizing that information other than just curiosity, but it's kind of nice. It stands up good on a, you know, on a table or whatever. It's not standing up good here, obviously, because I have it on a towel, but it stands up, lays down, it fits and it goes in the pocket. It has a locking mechanism. You press the button 5 times quick and it locks the device, so it's pocket friendly. You know, it's got some other cool little functions that you can do with combinations of presses, like, you know, charging, you know, another device. It's kind of cool just for that. Like, I mean, basically, if you have, you know, if you're losing cell phone battery or whatever in your emergency situation, it really is a backup. Other than that, that's it. Vapro, simple device, cheap enough, comes from Salibo, one of the premier factories in China. This is, if not the first, one of the very first factories that I dealt with in China. They are the original inventor, or whatever you want to call it, of the 901 atomizer, and that was their signature atomizer back in the day. And now they make pretty much everything, but decent company. Hard to get straight answer out of them sometimes with a lot of their reps, but I've been dealing with the head guy over there since I went there and visited with him in China, and I'm pretty happy with this device overall. Nice little device. That's it, the Vapros V1. Thanks for watching.